A lot of men that we look up to, that we trust, that we believe in, have only ordinary, simple, or temporary control over resource. Men are not really powerful, except God gives them power. So a lot of us that look up to men for the solution to some of our problems, we are just giving them regard because of God has allowed them to be able to do. The Bible says that the woman went to the king, and she thought naturally that the king, who was the king and the ruler of the whole of Israel, should be able to find a solution to the situation. But that situation was even but beyond the king. The king may not know what to do, but my God does. Some people that some of you are looking to for help today, they may not be able to help you. Not because they don't look like it, not because they don't seem like it, not because they even don't wish to, but because sometimes they really cannot. They neither have the capacity, nor the ability, nor the wisdom, nor the knowledge.